name is Ruth, currently a third-year computer science student at University of Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because it helps to realize our imagination. And now I'm going to show you how to make it fly. The it here means the sprite here. So maybe I will choose another sprite with wings. Put that here. You can choose another one. Output will do, and then I will adjust the size of it. So the theory is like this. The parrot doesn't really do the flying actually, but the sailboat will do. The parrot will remain at the center while the sailboat will move backwards to make the parrot look like it's flying. Okay, so the code also will apply to sailboat only. First of all, let us change X. X here means the horizontal line. It will make the sprite move forward or move backward. In order to make it move backwards, we have to use a negative value. Okay, so you can test it by clicking on the block. It does move backwards. I want to make it repeat like 70 times. And need to set the initial position of the boat. Set the X like 250 and then try it. Okay, so maybe I want to make it look forever. And I want to set an event for it. A green flag will do. Yeah, it looks okay. And the parrot is flying. Yeah, that's all for my demo, and thank you for watching. Again, my name is Ruth, and I'm one of the CodeSysters here. I can code, so can you.